Welcome back to CBS Mornings. We're looking at the big issues for voters in the midterms, including access to abortion. A new study by an abortion rights advocacy group found that abortions declined by 6% nationwide in the months after Roe v. Wade was overturned. But the number of procedures has gone up in the states where abortion is legal, especially in places like Illinois, which borders states with more restrictions. Adriana Diaz traveled to the southern part of that state, home to a new mobile Planned Parenthood clinic, complete with 2 exam rooms, a waiting area, and a lab. Her report is a CBS Mornings broadcast exclusive.
This may look like your standard long-haul RV, but step on board and it's a fully operational medical facility. Or as these Planned Parenthood employees call it, an act of activism.
It looks very much like a regular brick and mortar health center for us.
But you can feel the fact that we're not on,
yes,
we're not in a building.
It is a little more bouncy.
Dr. Colleen McNicholas is the chief medical officer at Planned Parenthood of St. Louis. She says the mobile clinic will be parked in Illinois near the border with Missouri to make abortions easier to access from out of state. They plan to provide medical abortions by pill here in the mobile unit by the end of the year and surgical procedures next year.
Hands off our bodies!
It's part of Planned Parenthood's answer to the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade in June. Since then, they've seen a 370% increase at their Southern Illinois clinic from patients traveling from beyond Illinois and Missouri.
Was the influx what you anticipated?
We saw it a lot more quickly than we expected it to come.
It came fast and furious.
It came fast and furious.
We are in Illinois where abortion is legal, but is providing abortion to women in Missouri where it is illegal undermining Missouri law?
You know, our priority is making sure that the constituents who have been left behind in those states have access to basic health care.
Pro-life, pro-woman!
Missouri only had 1 abortion clinic left before Roe fell, due in part to lobbyists like Sam Lee of Campaign Life Missouri, an anti-abortion rights group.
We think it's very irresponsible for Planned Parenthood trying to solicit Missouri women, and then when a woman has a complication, where can she go back to get help when that abortion van is gone?
Instead, Lee wants to see more resources go to alternatives for pregnant women here in Missouri, like pregnancy centers and housing help.
It always comes down to for women who are unsure about their decision, who are being coerced into their decision, being given true choices.
Roe v. Wade has got to go!
With so many raw emotions being expressed on both sides of this issue,
We were really thoughtful about the security and safety of the unit.
the RV is equipped with cameras and will initially have a security guard. Still, Dr. McNicholas says this is the time to push boundaries.
We're really at a critical moment, a public health crisis, where we need folks to be thinking differently, to be working together, to be acting boldly, and to be taking risks.
For CBS Mornings, I'm Adriana Diaz in Southern Illinois.